Become a sonogram technician. The sonogram or ultrasound is a medical method which makes use of sound waves in high frequency, making a copy of a particular image found in the screen of a computer for the purpose assessing and diagnosing medical problems. A sonogram technician uses the method of sonography to check on the body's internal organs such as the heart, parts of the nervous system, and the eyes as well. By studying the computer screen during the process, the sonogram technician is able to detect slightly discernible evidences that differentiate the healthy parts of the system from those that are not. He is then able to determine which of these images to present to the physician for diagnosis. The job of a sonogram technician plays an integral part in the medical practice because of the lives that are saved through the use of the sonogram. Working hand in hand with the physician, discovering the disease and ultimately finding a cure for the condition, is what the practice is all about. To become a sonogram technician, the following points need to be considered. Sonogram technician requirements. A sonogram technician is not required to have a degree but should have finished a formal training course in medical diagnostic sonography. The job entails operation of special equipment for ultrasound, so the technician must be well versed in its proper use, along with maintaining the equipment. He will also need to determine which scans need to be studied further by a physician, which means that he must know the nature of diseases and how to recognize them through the images on the screen. Aside from this, the sonogram technician takes care of the medical records of a patient. Training programs. An individual interested in becoming a sonogram technician has several choices when it comes to training programs. Diagnostic medical sonography courses are offered in various universities, technical schools, and even hospitals. The duration of training varies as well. It takes a few months to complete a program and earn a certificate of completion. To get a degree entails a few years of study. These programs include the care of patients, the proper use of the sonogram equipment, and subjects in anatomy, physics, and physiology, which are all important factors required by the job. Specializations. Since various parts of the body necessitate diverse sonogram procedures, a sonogram technician may want to specialize in one particular field. There is a wide selection of choices which include obstetrics, ophthalmology, breast, or abdomen specialties, to name a few. By concentrating on one area, it is much easier to gain expertise and master the special field chosen. Getting certified. Although obtaining a certification is not obligatory for a sonogram technician, having one increases the chances of getting hired much faster and earning a bit more than usual. One way is through the ARDMS, who gives credentials to those who have reached their specific standards, both on the educational side and the experience requirement. The need for sonogram technicians has grown largely through the years, with hospitals as the biggest employers. Doctors' offices and medical laboratories are also hiring sonogram technicians in great numbers. The doors of opportunity are open for those who would like to take on the job and make a great contribution in the field of medicine.